Hey y'all, watch me as I install this wig from Yolissa Hair. First and foremost, I just want to thank Yolissa Hair, y'all, because when I tell you the wig that they sent, I did not have to touch it at all. Like, I did not have to pluck it anymore. I didn't even have to bleach it, y'all. I'm showing you the lace as it came when I tell you I love working with Yolissa Hair. And if y'all, listen to this, let's go ahead and keep this reoccurring. Because when I tell you they're so reliable for good lace, good quality hair. So, go ahead and keep sending the wigs, y'all. Because I do not have no complaints. Anytime I work with Yolissa, it's always a pleasure. And y'all, the lace is it's so amazing. So, yeah, y'all definitely recommend y'all go check them out. Everything will be in the description box, so just keep watching.
Bruising just to save this, but I tripped on your love, now I'm addicted. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't tryna waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too pitiful, words don't wanna taste it. That's just too pitiful, words don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I've been tripping, that's how I control this feeling. Keep giving you, keep on giving you up. I think it's your love, it's so good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me trip on you. Baby, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad part, tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad part, tripping on you.